Morning children, welcome to the E-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Children, how are you all children? I am sure you are fine at home. We know it is very critical time now. So be at home and stay safe. If you are going out, use mask and sanitize your hand and think about your future. So for that, you have to watch these videos what teachers are sending to you. Today, I Tapas sir going to teach class 6 students English grammar. Today, I am going to teach lesson number 2, subject and predicate. This is in your first unit test course. So, let's start the lesson. Every sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. Subject is the first part of the sentence. It tells us who or what the sentence is about. Every sentence we write having two parts. One is subject or the doer of the sentence who does something. It tells us, you can see what the sentence is about. Example, Ajayta is a teacher of German. Ajayta's school is in Bhubaneswar. Lucky and Soumya play chess every evening. You can see Ajayta is the person we are talking about. Ajayta's school we are talking about. Lucky and Soumya we are talking about. So these are three subject of three different sentences. Ajayta's school and Lucky and Soumya are the subject in the sentence. The predicate comes after the subject and contain a verb. It tells us something about the subject. Means subject is the first part of the sentence and the second part, in some of the case it is is that the predicate comes first also, but most of the case we will find second part of the sentence is the predicate. Here you can see is a teacher of German, the predicate. Is in Bhubaneswar, predicate. Plays chess every evening, predicate. Means predicate says what the subject is doing or what is said about the subject we see in the part of the sentence that is called predicate. Predicate always begins with a verb. You can say is in first sentence, second sentence also is, in third sentence play. Three of these is and play are verb. So from verb actually the predicate begins in the sentence. Now Jerry's sister attend piano classes on weekend. It is a sentence. I have colored it. Jerry's sister is what? Subject. First part of the sentence tells what or who the sentence is about whom we are talking in the sentence we see in the first part. That's why it is called subject. Attend piano classes on weekend means what the subject is doing. This is called predicate that comes after subject, contain a verb. Attend is the verb in the sentence. From that attend verb, rest of the part of the sentence is called predicate. Tell something about the subject. Predicate always tells something about the subject. Now subject, form and function. How? Subject, form and function. Imperative sentence may appear to have some subject, that is because the subject is in them is you, which is implied, and so it is omitted. Here this imperative sentence means the sentence that give command, order or request is called imperative sentence. So write the heading first. It is the teacher is saying to the student, raise your left hand. It is a command. Add a little water to the floor. Floor means that is water. So add a little water to the floor. It is a, we can say, a request. So these three, command, advice and request, verb in before the sentence. Write, raise and add are three verbs. they don't have subject, so you have to add you before them to make a subject. So you write the heading first, you is the subject, and write the heading first is predicate. You raise your left leg, you is subject, raise your left leg, predicate. You add a little water to the floor, you is subject, add a little water to the floor, predicate. So when the subject begins with a verb, we have to add you to them to make it predicate. Subject and predicate. Now, question sentence or interrogative sentence do not start with the subject. The subject is question comes after the verb that start the sentence. Is Ajayata a teacher of German? Do Lucky and Somya play chess every evening? Are the math exercise difficult? You can see sentence begin with verb is, do and are. These are the three verbs the sentence begin with. So Ajayata, Lucky and Somya, the math exercise are between the verb and the rest part of the sentence. So it is not that always subject begins at the first part of the sentence. It also can come in the middle part of the sentence as well. So if the question sentence is there, you will find question is, do or are. These are the questions are there which help them to make the sentence change into question. So that case you will find subject are between the first part and the last part. In the middle of the sentence you will find the subject. Now the subject does not come first in exclamatory sentence either. What a brave effort. You can see that if the sentence is exclamatory sentence, you will find the subject at the last part of the sentence, or the second part of the sentence you will find the subject. You can see through examples I have written here, how cute the baby is. You can see it is an exclamatory sentence because the sentence ends with exclamation mark. And here, three of the case, what a brave effort, how great the teaching of Gandhi are, is, effort and are three verbs. If the sentence ending with verb, you will find the sentence to be in exclamatory form. So in these three cases, the baby is the subject of the sentence, effort is the subject of the sentence, teaching of Gandhi are the subject of the sentence. Predicate form and function. How predicate form? Predicate must contain a verb. It can also contain other element like object, complement and adverbial, all depending on the nature of the verb. Means a predicate always have a verb in it. That's why we will find a sentence having verb to it will have that part of the sentence is predicate. You can see first example, Marine sings. Marine sings. You can say sing is the verb, so it is the predicate of the verb. Marine sings a song. Sings a song is the predicate with the verb of object. Song is object here and sing is verb. That's why the sing a song is the predicate of the sentence. This place looks familiar. Looks is verb, familiar. Looks familiar is the predicate of the sentence. Renuka meet Marine in the park. Predicate with a verb, you can say met is the verb, and object Marine, and adverbial word is there, that is in the park. So met Marine in the park is the predicate having what? Verb, object and adverb to it to make a complete predicate of that sentence. Renuka met Marine in the park. Met Marine is the predicate in the sentence. So this lesson is over, children. So it is very important. Please watch at least 3 to 4 times at home to get clear about this lesson, subject and predicate. Thank you, children, for watching this video till end. God bless you. Stay at home, stay safe, and wear mask and use hand sanitizer to sanitize your hand. So obey your parents, think about your future, keep yourself safe from all this whatever going on around us. God bless you. Bye bye. Macho.